welcome back to my channel. There's just no good intro. Like, hey, what's up? How you doing? Woo! Okay, I'm just gonna be honest. I had 2 cups of coffee. Caffeine, not that great for me. So I'm a little like, but you know, it's fine. That means I have a lot of energy. Okay. I've been getting a lot of requests to do this video because I haven't really filmed like my everyday routine in years. A lot of it is a mix between drugstore and some higher end makeup. So let's go ahead and shut up and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I do, I go in with like a glow enhancer or any glow drops that you have. I'm all about a dewy beat these days. I want my skin to look super fresh and hydrated. Trying to shake off the jitters. Okay, so then I'm gonna take L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I really like this foundation because it's super light, it's very thin, it's very buildable, and I like that. So what I really mainly do is go in with really thin layers and then just kind of build up the coverage. Then I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is Maybelline's Fit Me. I've used this concealer forever and I love it. Ooh, Kyle's calling me. Let's see what he says.
What are you doing?
Filming, say hey.
Oh, hey.
Now we're gonna go with powder. If any of you guys have been following me since I was 15, I am 27 now. I don't even remember how it happened. When I was younger, and you can even see it in my older videos, but I always had this like scrunched, like, I can't even do it anymore. Like, I always used a lot of facial expressions. So that bit me in that. As an adult, I'm developing like these forehead wrinkles. If you have any wrinkles anywhere, I'm using this contouring palette that I got from Wet n Wild. So I'll take it right here on the back of my beauty blender, hold it back like this, and then you wanna take your beauty blender with powder and you wanna dab. It's pretty much the same concept as like how you bake your under eyes. You're just kind of helping those fine lines. While we are baking our face, what we're gonna do is our eyebrows. This is my e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit Duo Eyebrow Kit. There's a gel part and then there's a powder, so that's why I like it so much, and it's super cheap. I don't know about you guys, but my least favorite part about makeup is definitely eyebrows. I'm also not the best at it. Like, my eyebrows are never gonna be twins. They're sisters or long distance cousins, you know, whatever. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I usually go and brush off the powder and under my eyes. So next I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer. I usually bronze all over first because I use fake tanner and usually my face does not match the rest of my body. One of my favorite parts about makeup is definitely blush. I love blush. A little bit on my nose so it almost looks like I have a little sun-kissed glow. Next is my absolute favorite part about makeup. We're going to ice the cake, AKA give us a glow. Now we're gonna jump into eyes. These days, I like a little bit more of a simple, kind of like easy eye. So the first step that I do is I go back in with my bronzer. Then I'll go in my face and just start doing the windshield wiper motion. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ring the Alarm Jaclyn Hill palette and pick up Mugshot. It's this bronzy color right here. Now I'm gonna go back in with one of these highlighters. Next, I'm gonna go in with a really small brush and kind of smoke out my lower lash line. Next, we're gonna do eyeliner, and I don't know about you guys, but I still love a classic black pencil. I still do liquid eyeliner if I wanna do a wing. The only pain in the part is that you gotta sharpen it. We're gonna smoke out that eyeliner that we just put on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with that really small brush. My favorite part is definitely mascara. I'm gonna start with the Voluminous Original. I always talk about this guy, it's amazing. That really awkward moment when you think you're filming, you realize you're not. All I did was put glue on my falsies These are the Ardell Natural Lashes. The worst. Go back in with any mascara and then just blend your lashes and your falsies a little bit better. My absolute favorite part is lips. One, I have literal bologna slices and I don't want to get lip filler. Two, you can make your lips look just as good with makeup. So this is NYX lip liner in Cold Brew. Let's go in with the Soft Lip by NYX. This is in Dubai. This is the perfect duo. Pick up any lighter lipstick that you have. It could be like a soft pink, even take some kind of concealer. I actually picked this up at Victoria's Secret and I love it. It's the Velvet Matte Lip Liquid Cream. This is in Perfection. So put that in the center of your lips. Last and final step, we're gonna pick up any kind of lip gloss. And just like that, you went from bologna slices to filler. You're welcome. The bigger the hair, the closer you are to God. Should I get that tattooed? It is what I live by, I'm just saying. Okay, we are done, finally. If you're not subscribed, hit the button. I would seriously love to have you join the family. If you've made it this far, you are the real MVP. I love each of you so very much. You have no idea. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.